Hello, how are you today? This is Bong Soo-jung, Korean labor attorney. Today I'd like to introduce sexual harassment in workplace. Nowadays we can witness such sexual harassment cases in the broadcasting, especially Seoul mayor. He even because of to avoid some public blame, he commit suicide. Because of his sexual harassment to his secretary. Also, some political party named Justice, the chairman of that party was disposed because of this sexual harassment. So the female employee who had undesired touch from this the chairman reported to the party members. So he had sexual harassment from chairman. So the chairman admitted all that and accepted some resignation from that the chairman position. So it is a very sad, very some negative thing we can see, but I think it can give also some event or some more opportunity to improve work, like working condition. So I mean the good working environment without sexual harassment. So what is sexual harassment in Korean labor law? Sexual harassment means employer or superior or employee make another employee feel sexually humiliated and discouraged by their sexual behaviors. So then, in order to be a sexual harassment, there should be 3 factors. Then it can be a sexual harassment. So it is work related or workplace related, and also like it should be sexual behaviors like visual or verbal or physical behaviors. I mean yeah. So such behaviors should be included. Then last one is another employee feel some humiliated or sexually discouraged. I mean discouraged from work duties because of that effect. Then it can be a sexual harassment. If one missing in 3 factors, then it's not sexual harassment. So then what are sexual harassment behaviors? So first one is like physical behaviors like touching, hugging, or like some undesired action showed to the other party. It can be a physical sexual behaviors. Also like verbal behavior, sexual behaviors like using some sexually charged language or some likening some people's like atmosphere, like their physical appearance to somebody. Also they say it's very indecent or lustful languages. So it can be verbal sexual harassment. Also some like visual sexual harassment is like showing their physical body or exposed some body very too much, like half nude. It can be the visual sexual harassment, or on their computer screen they show very nude picture something. It can be some sexual harassment. Then how to judge whether it is sexual harassment or not? It doesn't consider the offender's intention, but it consider much about the victim's in like feeling or their opinion about at that time. Yeah. Also, some if it is regarded as sexual harassment, then finally we use the like some people with a common sense may feel same the feeling if they are in such a situation. So then if like individual, like victim employees feeling, also general people who has the same feeling about the situation, then it can be a sexual harassment. Then if this sexual harassment, then employer must take right procedure, that is disciplinary action. So employer hold the disciplinary action committee and investigate what happened, and they decide whether it is sexual harassment or not. If it is sexual harassment, they have to punish the offender, and also make effort to avoid not repeat such sexual harassment in workplace, giving special training to co-workers. Also, based on that, the result, employer should give a feedback to the victim employee. So the disciplinary action for offender, there are types of disciplinary action like written warning, wage reduction, also demotion or salary, the suspension from office without pay. Also, most severe case, it can be a disciplinary dismissal. So it should be considered based on the severity of the sexual harassment at work. Yeah. Okay, this is all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.